Good.
Good morning, sir. Bhakti Khandelwal present.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir. Shashwat
Good
Gupta
morning, sir.
present.
Good morning, sir.
Morning, sir. Kartik Khandelwal present.
Good morning, sir. Present.
Good morning. अरे यार Yes, ma'am. Would you like to? Sorry, अब क्या?
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Okay. So we are doing chapter number 20. In this we have already done till exercise 20.4. Have we all done exercise 20.4?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
बेटा सानिध्य मैं आपको रिमूव कर रहा हूँ मीटिंग से, ठीक है?
सब
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
कर दिया। सानिध्य को मैंने रिमूव कर दिया।
Why?
He was making noise and intentionally switching on his mic to and making noise after switching on the mic. Intentionally.
Yes, sir. In science class also he moved.
तो मैं ऐसे ही विदाउट वार्निंग ऐसे रिमूव कर दूंगा ऐसे बच्चों को। चलिए तो we have to start exercise 20.5 today. Exercise 20.5 which is based on perimeter.
No,
So
sir.
in some classes we have already done the first second part of this exercise. First and second part. कोई बात नहीं, we will start again. Those who have already done this, some questions you must have done of this exercise. No problem, you can start again. Okay. Exercise.
Sir, I want to read. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir, in class 5 we have not started 20.4.
In class.
Sir, in 5th B we have not started 20.4.
Okay, we will do in class 5B, we will do exercise 20.4 later on. You can start 20.5 first.
Okay, sir.
I'll do students. All of you, you can start exercise 20.5 now. Okay. We all will do exercise 20.5. This question A we have to do. Perimeter formula you all have written. I hope you all have written the formula of perimeter of a rectangle, square and triangle. लिख लिया या नहीं लिखा है? चलो अगर मान लेते हैं नहीं लिखा है, let's write
We
down.
have written.
मान लिया कि
We have not written.
we have not completed, you will write down now. Okay, so the first formula, perimeter of rectangle. This is equal to.
Sir, you are doing revision.
नहीं बेटा, we are not doing revision. We are starting exercise 20.5. Exercise 20.5 start करने से पहले हमको कुछ फॉर्मूले यहाँ पर नोट करने पड़ेंगे. वो हम यहाँ पर नोट कर रहे हैं. Perimeter of square is equal to.
So in fifth A class, we have done so. We have to then also write
No,
again.
no, if you have already written the formula, you can just leave this. You can just start with the exercise. Don't write the formula again if you have already written. And finally,
Okay, sir.
perimeter of triangle. Perimeter of a triangle is sum of all sides. Sum of all sides is the perimeter of a triangle. I hope the board is visible clearly. Is it clearly visible?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, fine. Okay, let's start with the exercise now. I hope you all have written the formula. Everyone, written?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. So question A of the exercise. Question A is first part you have to find the area, sorry, find the perimeter of a rectangle whose length and width are given. So it is a rectangle.
Okay, sir.
Length of the rectangle is 15 centimeters. Breadth of the rectangle is
12 centimeter.
12 centimeters. Now you have to find the perimeter of this rectangle. First of all, you all will write down the formula of perimeter. Okay. The formula of perimeter is P equals to 2L plus D. This is the formula of perimeter of a rectangle. Okay. Now after this, P equals to putting the values. L, what is L? 15. Breadth is 12. So P equals to 2. 15 plus 12. 15 plus 12 is 27. So this is 2 multiplied by 27. There is no symbol, there is only a bracket. 27 is written in a bracket and there is no symbol between 2 and 27. कोई भी sign नहीं लगा हुआ. That means you have to multiply. 2 multiplied by 27 is equal to 54. P equals to 54 सेंटीमीटर. यूनिट ऑफ पेरीमीटर इज सेंटीमीटर. स्क्वायर नहीं लगाएंगे यहाँ पर. ये एरिया नहीं निकाला है मैंने. इज दिस एरिया? नो. एरिया होगा तो स्क्वायर लगाएंगे. सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर लगते अगर एरिया होगा तो. बट दिस इज नॉट एरिया, दिस इज पेरीमीटर. तो केवल सेंटीमीटर लिखेंगे आप. ओके. पेरीमीटर इज अ टाइप ऑफ डिस्टेंस और डिस्टेंस की यूनिट हमेशा सेंटीमीटर, मीटर या फिर किलोमीटर इस तरीके से होती है. ओके, फाइन. Five C students, are you all doing this? 5C, last 5C.
Yes, sir. Doing.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Have you all understood class 5 A, B, C, all the three sections? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Sir, please do it once again. Sir, please do it once again.
Do it once again मतलब करा हुआ तो भाई
Sir, please explain it once again, sir. I can't.
It is आपको रेक्टेंगल का लेंथ गिवन है, लेंथ कितना है 15 सेंटीमीटर, ब्रेथ कितनी है 12 सेंटीमीटर, दिस इज गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन। आपको यहाँ पर पेरीमीटर फाइंड करना है। पेरीमीटर का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है? पेरीमीटर ऑफ अ रेक्टेंगल इज इक्वल टू 2l plus b, this is the formula of perimeter of a rectangle, 2l plus b. Now put the value, length is given, what is l, length कितनी है 15 सेंटीमीटर, लगा दी वैल्यू, b कितना है 12 सेंटीमीटर, वो भी लगा दिया, 15 plus 12 27 सेंटीमीटर, 27 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 2, ये जो बाहर 2 लगा हुआ है ब्रैकेट के बाहर, इसको आप 27 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे, 2 into 27 equal to 54 centimeters. So answer 54.
Sir, your voice is fully crackling.
2 into 27 is equal to 54 centimeter. Now is it clear? Okay, let's move on to the next question. Okay, so you all have understood first part. Let's start with the second part now. I'm erasing it from the board. In the second part, there is a square. Square of side 17 centimeter. Square, the side of the square is 17 centimeters is the side of the square. Okay. Now you have to find the perimeter of the square. Perimeter equals to 4 into side. 4 multiplied by side. This is the perimeter formula. So perimeter equals to 4 multiplied by 17. 4 multiplied by 17. Why multiplied by 17? Because the length of the side is given 17 centimeters. कितनी दी हुई है आपको side? Side of square कितना given है? 17 centimeters. So P equals to 4 into 17. The answer is 68 centimeters. What is the perimeter? 68 centimeters. This is the answer. Okay. You have to do the third and fourth part on your own. I am giving you 5 minutes to do third and fourth part on your own. Start doing them. Do the third and fourth part on your own. We will be checking the answers once you do the third and fourth part. Start doing them. As for you are saying something?
Sir, I am asking, sir, what about exercise 20.4?
20.4 we will do later on. First you
Okay,
do
sir.
20.5. First you do the questions of exercise 20.5. Okay. 20.4 we will do
Okay,
later
sir.
on. That is also
Okay,
a
sir.
very simple exercise. Okay. Gaurav.
Sir, I am saying so in the sir triangle. If we have to take out the perimeter of the triangle, we have to add all the digits.
Add all the sides. तीनों sides को add कर देंगे perimeter मिल जाएगा. Simple है. I will do question of triangle. Don't worry. You do the third and fourth part first. Tatakshi.
Sir, I have done.
Very good. Have you all done the third and fourth part?
Yes, sir.
Check
Sir,
your answer.
can I
Sir,
tell you
I
the
do not
third and
understand how to do the rectangle one.
sir,
Check
can I
your-
Yes,
tell the
sir.
sir, 1 second, I'm on
Check your answer of the
Sir,
third
I
part.
don't know.
I'm telling you the
the
answer.
third answer.
I am telling you the answer of the third part. Check your answer. Yeah, I'm giving you the answer of the third part. Listen, check your answer. The third part answer is 48 centimeters. Okay. Give a thumbs up if your answer is correct. Thumbs up दे दीजिए. If your answer is correct, 48 centimeters. अभियान बेटा आंसर सही नहीं है. अभियान, your answer is not correct. Tell me. अभियान, Duhan. Just a minute, let me unmute you. कहाँ गए अभियान, कहाँ गए? Yes. हाँ जी, अभियान, tell me. Your answer is correct.
Sir, yes, sir. Sir, the second one is 68 and the third one is 48.
Very good. Have you done the fourth one also, Abhiyan?
Sir, in the fourth one, my answer is 70.
Okay. Okay, fine. Very good. Chalo, fourth one, I am telling you the answer of the fourth one also. The answer is 70 centimeters. Fourth one, 70 centimeters. Okay, very good. Chaliye. So you all have done the third and fourth one. They were same as question number 1 and 2. Now we will be doing question number 5. Fifth part of this question. Fifth part. Triangle, there is a triangle, the sides of the triangle are given 3, 4 and 6. So first you write the name of the shape. Triangle is there. If you want, you can make a triangle also. एक triangle छोटा सा बना लीजिए, pencil से बना लीजिए without scale. Without using scale, एक छोटा सा triangle draw कर लो. Pencil से करना, ठीक है? So बना लिया. Now the three sides are 3 centimeters. 4 centimeters and 6 centimeters. 3, 4 and 6. ये इसकी sides आपको given है. All the three sides. Okay, you can write the sides like this. And now you write the perimeter, formula of perimeter. P, what is the perimeter of a triangle? P equals to sum of all sides. What is the perimeter of a triangle? Sum of all sides. Okay. Now put the values. P equals to 3 plus 4 plus 6. कुछ नहीं करना है, तीनों sides को add करना है. Just add all the three sides. 3 plus 4 plus 6. So that means the perimeter is, what is the perimeter? 3 plus 4 plus 6, 13 centimeters. 13 centimeters is the perimeter. भक्ति बेटा पीछे कौन खड़ा है? भैया खड़े हैं? कौन खड़ा है?
सर अक्षत खंडेलवाल।
अच्छा खंडेलवाल, अरे भाग गया। कल मिला था मैं भाई से तुम्हारे। कल स्कूल में मुलाकात हुई थी। अक्षत कैसे हो? हाउ आर यू?
Yes, sir. Doing this.
Hello, sir. Good morning.
गुड मॉर्निंग अक्षत, हाउ आर यू?
Sir, I'm fine. Thank you.
Fine. Do you remember me?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Okay, give it to Bhakti.
Okay, sir.
चलिए, very good. Okay, next question. Have you all done this? Perimeter equal to 13 centimeters. Done. Okay, अश्वा का thumbs up मुझे दिख गया. Very good अश्वा. अभियान का भी दिख गया. अभियान thumbs up. Yes. गौरव पहले जानी का भी दिख गया. Very nice. कार्तिक खंडेलवाल का thumbs up भी दिख गया मेरे को. Very good. चलिए, very nice. So all of you have done. Let's move on to the fifth, sixth part. Next part, last part of this question. Again, it is a triangle. So the sides of the triangle in this case are 7, 9, and 11. So मैं क्या करूँगा? I am just going to change the sides of the triangle. बाकी काम यही करना है आपको. Question number 6. 7, 9, and 11. 7 centimeters, 9 centimeters, and 11 centimeters are the sides of this triangle. Okay. Find the perimeter on your own. Find it. P equals to 7 plus 9 plus 11. 7 plus 9 plus 11. So P equals to 27 centimeters. 27 centimeters. Answer. Okay, so students are showing a thumbs up, that means they have done it. Aspa is raising her hand. Aspa, yes.
Sir, I was asking, sir, this same method is for like this sum of all sides, so that will equal us to P. So in rectangle also we will do the same.
In rectangle also we can use the same formula if we want. Actually, sum of all sides is a formula of perimeter which we can use in all the shapes. In a rectangle, we know that opposite sides are equal. So if one side is 15, the opposite side is also 15. And then the other side is 12, and the side opposite to this side is also 12. So 15 plus 12 plus 15 plus 12. If you do like this, then also you will get the same answer. Or if you use the formula 2L plus B, then also your answer will be same. So it's sum of all sides is a common formula. Okay. Yes, Ayushman. बताओ बेटा, नाराज हो क्यों? Ayushman, you were saying something?
At the place of perimeter, you have written sum of all sides. Sir, I have written 4 into side.
नहीं बेटा, it is a triangle. आपको शेप के अकॉर्डिंग लिखना है. ये ट्राइंगल है, स्क्वायर नहीं है. व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला? व्हाट इज द शेप? ट्राइंगल. ट्राइंगल में फॉर्मूला क्या होता है? सम ऑफ ऑल साइड्स. स्क्वायर के केस में आपका फॉर्मूला क्या लिखना है? 4 into साइड. ओके, स्क्वायर होगा तब लिखना है 4 into साइड. ओके फाइन. आयुष्मान गॉट इट? टेल मी.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, one more thing I'm telling you, the next period is also mine. So I will be taking, because it is my period only, I will be taking the next period also. So don't go anywhere. I will just, and the meeting will just end automatically in between. And suddenly I will start the next one also, the next meeting also. So don't go anywhere. After 5 minutes, the meeting will end automatically. Okay. I will start the meeting as soon as it ends. Okay. Don't go.